Hello everybody, today we're going to talk a little bit more about the letter Z, and we're going to learn how to write the letter Z. Remember, Z says Z, Z says Z. We're going to start out with our little starfall activity for the letter Z, and then we will talk about how to write Z.
Z. Z.
I'm going to click on that uppercase Z. Let's make that Z sound together.
Z. Z.
Now let's click on the lowercase Z and make that Z sound together.
Z. Z.
Let's see what Z words we have. Oh, this is our alpha friend for the letter Z, was one of these, and we read a story about one of these yesterday. It is a
Zebras. Zipper. Zip, zip, zip.
Zipper starts with Z. Ooh, what do you think we have here?
Zoo. Drag the puzzle pieces to make a word.
Alright, first I need a circle Z, a square I, a triangle G, another circle Z, a parallelogram A, and another triangle G. Let's blend that together. Ig. Ig. Zig. Ag. Ag. Zag.
Zigzag.
Alright, we're going to talk about how to write the letter Z. You need to get your Z writing page out and put your name at the top. And then we're going to work on upper and lowercase Z together. After you get your name on there, you can put your pencil down and watch me. I'm going to show you how to do upper and lowercase Z using these big ones at top. Uppercase Z goes little line across, big slant down, little line across. Pick your pencil and do that with me. Little line across, big slant down, little line across. Lowercase Z goes across, slant down, across. It's just like uppercase Z, but it stays under the middle line. Let's do that together. Across, slant down, across. Alright, we're going to practice these uppercase Z's. Get your pencil ready. And let's go little line across, big slant down, little line across. Little line across, big slant down, little line across. And trace that whole row of uppercase Z's. Now we're going to make some Z's on our own. If you need to hit pause while you finish a row, you can do that. Little line across, big slant down, little line across. Little line across, big slant down, little line across. Alright, hit pause if you need. We're going to keep going and do the lowercase Z's. They're just like uppercase Z, but they stay under that middle line. So we're going to go across, slant down, across. 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 Alright, then we're going to do this row of lowercase Z's on our own. Across, slant down, across. Across, slant down, across. Keep it under that middle line. And then we're going to do a pattern. We're going to do uppercase and lowercase. Little line across, big slant down, little line across. Across, slant down, across. upper and then lower. Little line across, big slant down, little line across. Across, slant down, across. Notice I'm not picking up my marker. You don't have to pick up your pencil to make these lines. They all connect. Alright, you keep going. Go back, finish any of the lines of the Z's you need to, and then you may color the zebra at the top.